Onshape has an industry-changing feature, and it's a bit hidden, but let me show you. So in traditional parametric CAD, selections are done by clicking. To fillet a group of edges, I have to visually locate them and click them with my mouse. It can be slow and time-consuming, but there's another way. Onshape has this great programming language called FeatureScript that lets you easily make custom features. Within FeatureScript is something called a query. A query is how a feature programmatically does a selection. Instead of clicking, the code describes what the selection contains. Descriptors such as geometry type, faces and edges, what subfeature created it, is it planar, is it adjacent? These descriptors can be combined with logical operators, such as union, subtraction, intersection. Queries are a powerful tool typically limited to custom features. Or are they? So here's the interesting part. Selections are queries. When you make a selection, Onshape is building a query. What this means is that all Onshape features, not just the custom ones, support using queries in place of selections. You can get a taste of it with the create selection dialog, but not quite. The full power of queries is not exposed to the average user. Using the API, I can select all of the vertical edges in this model and have them filleted by the standard fillet feature. This way, I'm not having to click each one of these edges. Where this really starts to shine is in models that update a lot. Configurations. See, queries aren't locked in. It's not like a macro that's run and done. The query is fully parametric. Changing upstream geometry is reflected downstream when the query is evaluated. So when I make these changes to the sketch and I create new geometry, I'm not having to reselect it. My query still describes this new geometry and it gets picked up automatically. This is really exciting because it opens up a new way to think about CAD design. It also just adds more flexibility and options when it comes to configurable designs. So here's the question. How would parametric selections help you in your design process? Could this be a game changer for you? Let me know in the comments.